Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So that's it. I hope you like my special gift. I'm just going to give you something when I see you, right? Maybe this summer, I don't know, but probably this December, I'm going to see you. Okay? Always take care and good luck in everything. Yun lang, best wishes sa'yo. And always remember that I'm always here for you and I love you. Shit, di ba? Sige. Happy birthday na lang and I hope marinig mo tong message na to. I'm just going to talk to my sister then. Okay? Bye-bye and let me know something.